I've had it with Mario. It's about time I get even with him. Come on. Come on. No. Yes! Oh, no. Oh, yep. Come on. Get him. No, turn around. Ah! Yup. We're doing it. I get him. He doesn't even know. Yup. The classic set on fire one. Come on. Turn around. I need you to turn. Yup. Oh, every time. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you're so dead. Oh, yes, we're gonna completely cannonball him. 3-way cannonball, let's go. Oh! That's what I'm talking about. Time for a nap.
Yeah, what do you want? Wait a second. I recognize you. You're that guy on the video. Mario. You don't look like you're coming in peace. Michael, Super Mario's out our front door. You're not gonna believe it.
Really?
I'm not kidding. He's really there.
He's at our door?
He's got a Nerf blaster, so you better take him
with a weapon?
You better get up now. Let's go.
Hey, Pizza Face.
Are you talking to me?
I think it's time for you to leave.
I don't think so.
Dang, he's tough. Hey, Mario! The gig's up! Get out of the cart!
Oh no, amigo, please, no do that. No, please, no. I ain't do nothing to you. Please, no.
Okay, Mario. Put the weapon down, and we don't have a problem.
Oh, you talking about this weapon right here?
That really hurt. Now it's your turn.
Uh-oh!
So, I guess I am the champion of video games.
Thank God I had the Twinkies. They saved my life. I'm kinda hungry.
What? Is that Mario?
Hey, I didn't do nothing to you, my friend. Why you shooting at me?
What are you doing on my property?
Just trying to settle a problem I had with K Hunter.
K Hunter, that's my brother.
Hey, can I talk to you for 1 second?
Yeah. What do you want to talk about?
So K Hunter, he killed me in my own video game. I want to get revenge.
You know what? I think I have an idea. Do you want to help me ambush my brother?
Yes, I'd love that. Come down, let's get ready.
So you're Super Mario.
Yes, that's me.
Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too.
Okay, so here's the plan, Mario. We gotta get you a blaster.
Alright. Your videos, dude.
Thank you, and I like your games.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Wait a minute. Are you gonna get me a Nerf blaster?
Oh, yeah. Now, here's a package and this for you.
Thank you. Oh, I need to open this up.
Here's the plan. I happen to know Michael's upstairs.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm gonna fake like I'm doing my homework and I have a problem.
Sí, bueno.
Then I'm gonna shout out for Michael's help. And then he can come down.
I like how you think.
Good, let's go.
Nicholas.
Yeah?
Okay, so now that we have the plan, I have something for you to do.
Okay.
So I need you to do this as a distraction. You're gonna pop it in his face. You're gonna run over there and we're gonna start shooting at him. You got it, Nicholas? Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go hide behind that wall.
Okay. Temperatures in Fahrenheit 106.3, 99.8, 101.1, 110.5. I need help with this. Michael!
I'll be there in a minute!
Okay. Michael!
What do you need help with? Number 6? What's party popper? Oh, that's cool, Nick.
Mario, now!
Migo, I think he got away.